Do you want to speak English about your day easily and naturally? Today, we'll help you talk about your daily routine with simple English you can use every day. Let's practice together. Podcast English in Daily Life. Talk about your day. Level Beginner A1. Characters Tom and Emma.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Bridge Podcast. I'm Tom.
And I'm Emma. Today, we will practice simple English to talk about your day.
Yes, we will learn easy daily routine phrases. You can listen, repeat, and speak with us. Let's start.
Part 1. Morning Routine.
Emma, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I'm a morning person.
Nice. What do you do after you wake up?
I get up, I make my bed, and I brush my teeth.
Great. Listeners, repeat after us. I wake up. I brush my teeth.
Emma, do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every morning. Do you have coffee or tea?
I drink tea. Tea gives me good energy.
Part 2. Breakfast and going out.
What do you eat for breakfast, Tom?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit.
Nice and healthy. I usually eat cereal with milk.
After breakfast, I go to work.
I go to school. Listeners, repeat. I go to work. I go to school.
Part 3. Afternoon activities. Emma, what do you do in the afternoon?
I study English. I also meet my friends.
Cool. I work in the afternoon. I send emails and talk to people.
That sounds busy.
Part 4. Evening and relaxing time.
Emma, what time do you come home?
I come home at 5 p.m. Then I have dinner with my family.
Nice. I relax, watch TV, or listen to music in the evening.
Then I take a shower and go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m. Sleep is important.
Part 5. Practice questions.
Now, let's practice with you. Answer these questions about your day. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. What do you eat for breakfast? 3. Do you go to work or school? 4. What do you do in the evening?
Great job! You're learning to talk about your daily routine.
Let's review new verbs. Wake up, brush, eat, go, come.
Sleep.
Awesome! Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for listening to English Bridge Podcast.
Like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend. See you next time.
Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.